Hello dear friends, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my Patchwork channel. And today I will show you how to crochet amazing chamomile or daisy wheel flower. This pattern can be divided on two parts. First one is the middle part that consists of trim, and the second part is petals that has only two rows, one of them of Tunisian crochet and the second one is slip stitches. For my flower I will using cotton yarn and one color, but you can choose variegated yarn or two colors. For work you need crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the base. For the base make a chain, then chain of 4 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, then double crochet, not finish, into the same chain stitch, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. I have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And my base is ready. This will be the base for the middle part. Let's crochet the trim for this flower. Now I show you the direction in crocheting. Now I'm working with trims. Make a chain, pull a little bit and chain more. Now I stop here and show you the direction in crocheting. I will begin from this side, continue with the opposite one, then continue working by spiral direction. Then I'm working in backwards direction. It is very easy to make. So I turn the work, make 6 single crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue with the next one. Make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Now I turn to the front side, work with this stitch. This is the treble crochet. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I turn the work. I stop here and we look at this point what we have done. Now I'm working with this stitch. then 7 single crochet and work with the middle part. Make 7 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Work with the last stitch. Now crochet 7 single crochet into the last V stitch. So let's crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. I stop and we will look. My trim is ready. It is going to be the middle part of the flower. I straight up my trims. Then I am working in backwards direction. Now I am working in backwards direction. Now I am crocheting the single crochet. In total it should be 21 single crochet in a row. Make a chain, turn the work. I skip the first stitch. I skip chain stitch and insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I'm working by spiral direction. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Let's stop at this point. My middle part of the flower is ready. Now I'm working with petals of my flower and crochet on this side. Then I'm working on the opposite side. I straight up my trim, so my beauty project is ready. You can use it like accessories for or like a brush. Let's crochet petals. In total it should be 12 of them. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. Then chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook, make the first row of the petal. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, pull up a loop, like this. In total it should be 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Now insert the hook into the stitch of the main part, pull up a loop, Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 loops on the hook and pull through 2 loops. First row of the Tunisian petal is ready. As you can see, I have got loops. Now I am working with slip stitches. Insert the hook into the first loop. Make a slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 5 petals. I have done 5 stitches. Make single crochet into the next stitch. My first petal is ready. It consists of only 1 row of Tunisian crochet plus 1 row slip stitches. I remind you, in total it should be 12 petals. Let's stop and look at my first petal. Make a chain of 6 for the next petal. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next. Yarn over, insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, pull up a loop. Then make 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then insert the hook into the next stitch that I began, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops 5 times. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 2 loops. My row Tunisian crochet is ready. Then crochet a row of slip stitches. Make a slip stitch into each back loop. Make the first one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My petal is ready. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make slip stitch, make a single crochet. My second petal is ready. You should crochet 10 more by yourself. Let's stop at my petals. I straight up my middle part of the flower. It can be like a rabbit at this part. Then you should crochet by yourself. Let's complete this flower together. I have chain. After I have made all slip stitches, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet. My flower is ready. It consists of 12 petals. One of them is Tunisian crochet and the second one is just slip stitches. I straight up my middle part. In this case, I used 1 color of yarn, but you can use 2 or 3 colors. My daisy wheel or chamomile flower is ready. Here how they look like in different colors. I remind you, each flower has 12 petals and 3D middle part. Petals made in Tunisian crochet technique plus row of slip stitches. For this one I use two colors, yellow and white, and it looks like chamomile or daisy wheel flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course learn more with my step-by-step video tutorials. So good luck in crocheting. It was Elena Rugal, and see you in the next video tutorials. Please write comment below the video what you will get, and crochet with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!